now we're going to take a look at how to display the service to the customer. So one way to do that is to go ahead and copy the short code. Just make sure it's copied. And now I want to go and add a new page. So let's go to Add New. And we're just going to name this page Design Services. If you have a standard editor, then you'll be able to see this icon, and over here you can go ahead and select the web designing service, and it's automatically going to copy and paste this code for you. However, if you have some editor and you cannot see this icon here, then you'll have to go ahead and copy and paste the code just as I did a couple of seconds ago. Alright, so now we have this done. We need to go ahead and publish it. So I'm going to do just that. And now that it's published, we want to view the page. So I'll switch over to another browser. And over here, I'm logged in as a customer called Ted. And this is the page where I can go ahead and place my order. So over here, I have website order details. And then I can select the website technology. Let's go with PHP. Then the number of pages, let's say 8 pages. And then the graphics e-cover that I want created. So I'll go with a bundle of 3 covers, and also add a DVD cover and a video skin cover. And we want to go to Manage Services, and we want to go to Settings here. And then over here, we want to select 1, 2, and 3 installments. So let's go ahead and save that. And this is because I simply forgot to enter these details here. So we need to go ahead and edit this again and go to Tasks, and over here, Group Options. I actually forgot to enter the name. So Order Now. Maybe turnaround time and ordering. Let's make this a little prettier. And ordering. Now I'll go ahead and save. And if we go back here, refresh. Now, as you can see, the price here increases once you play around with these options. So this is the power of QQW, because you get the quote instantly. Alright, so next, what I can do is go ahead and pay directly, or I can go ahead and save quotation and then order later. So let's go ahead and say I want to save the quotation for now, and I'll do that. Alright, so quote saved successfully. So now I can go to my account, and as a customer, I can see the web designing services here. So let's go ahead and click on this, and this is my saved quotation, obviously. So over here I can see all the details, and as soon as I'm ready, I can go ahead and pay. So as you can see, this is a quote for a full project, and to proceed with it, you can create a new invoice below. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create New Invoice, and it smartly generates a payment link here with PayPal. And once I go ahead and click on it, my payment goes through. Now, obviously, I will need to go ahead and make the payment. However, since this is a demo video, I'm not going to do that. So we're just going to go back to the other browser here, and now we're going to go ahead and just do a simple refresh of this page. So we can just click on it again, and it will open. And as you can see, we have the web designing service here. So over here, it says the status of this project. So the status is quote, because Ted, this customer called Ted, only requested to save the quote, and he did not place the order. Now, possible statuses for projects are quote, paid, which is used after the customer has generated and paid an invoice. Then we have in progress, and that's if our project has been paid and started. This is a status that will let the customer know that. Then we have suspended, and you can suspend a project for any reason and also notify the customer about that. And then we have finished. which is obviously used when a project has been finished. And we also have canceled, which is used in case of a project being interrupted, and that notifies the client as well. Alright, so over here we do have the service, so we can go ahead and view the service, and we can get all the information for this saved quotation. Now, let's say this customer already made the payment. So obviously I did not go ahead and make that payment, but sometimes it might happen that there's a problem with the payment, or your customer reaches out and asks to pay using a different payment method. So if that's the case, you can go ahead and select the project and then go over here and select one of these. So you can go ahead and select mark as paid if the customer requested to pay using another payment method. So let's go ahead and click apply, and as you can see, the status of the project changes right away.